Alright, so you see, guys, it's a gown. You can see from behind. It's exactly a gown, right? So, see in front of it, it's a two-piece wrapper, the traditional African two-piece wrapper, like what our mothers loved to wear back then. Okay, and then with a handbag to match, made of Ankara as well. They go together. Alright. Okay. Sleeveless gown. AG Couture.
1, 2, let's go.
Hello
everyone.
Welcome to
Alina's
Alina's
Fashion. We used to be AG Plus Couture, but we are still the same. This is Alina's Fashion.
This is Alina's Fashion.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
This is a beautiful free gown.
This is the beautiful free gown.
As you can see, so pretty.
I can see so pretty.
You can sew this and you can use this for
You
any
can sew
occasion.
this for me, and you can.
This is a palazzo.
This is a palazzo.
This is a palazzo trouser.
Palazzo trouser.
Very free.
Very free.
Beautiful with its top.
Beautiful with its top.
The top is made of a bishop collar. It's a sleeveless top.
Is the sleeveless top.
Okay, so this is how beautiful it is.
This is how beautiful it is.
Alina's Fashion is out here to give you that beauty, that class, elegance. Wow.
Wow.
Subscribe to Alina's Fashion.
Subscribe to Alina's Fashion.
So here is the beautiful free gown also. This is also a skirt and a blouse.
Also the blouse.
This is some shades, a mirror
This
shade.
is some shades.
You can check the video. This is a beautiful scrunchy sleeve blouse. This is a gown, free gown from Alina's Fashion. This is a wrap skirt. This is a top, a armless top for male. This is armless gown for female. This is a beautiful ashebi. This is a bracelet.
This is a beautiful.
Beautiful. This is Alina's Fashion in person.
Alina's Fashion to
my channel. This is Alina's work.
This is
how we do.
This is how we do.
This is another scrunchy sleeve.
Click that button if you want to see more of my videos.